Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to a new market outlook for this week. It's Monday, and London session already ended. We're waiting for the New York session, and let's see what we can trade this week. First of all, as you can see, I'm back in my room in the Netherlands. I don't know for how long, because I don't stay long in the Netherlands, because I don't like it that much here. Also because of the weather, it's always raining, and even though it's like mid-June, it's still raining, it's cold. I don't like it, so maybe I'll leave in a few weeks again. But let's start off with Euro USD. And as you can see, if you watched the video from last week, this was the line that I wanted to take out to maybe look for further shorts. But as you can see, this is what happened during the weekend. Of course, in the weekends the market is closed, but I'm referring to Trump, of course. So he's messing up the markets a little bit. And you can see not really a reaction that I want to see to look for further shorts. So right now I have an alert above this high here to see if we can look from there for further shorts towards the downside. And I'm not gonna look for small positions right here. So I want to see maybe for long to take out this low and then look for further longs. That's for Euro USD. For GBP USD, as we can see, we took out this one. This was last Wednesday. And from this liquidity point, I wanted to look for shorts. I didn't take a short, luckily as well, because I don't place limits either. And if you place a limit on this one, you need to have your stop above this high, and then you would still be in this trade. And I don't like trading like this that much, especially when there's no further liquidity in this leg. So it's not really a high probability trade. So I didn't take this one. Of course, you can look for 15-minute setups, 5-minute setups. Then maybe you would have hit TP if you had a small trade, small stop loss. For now, for GBP USD, I'm waiting for basically the same, to take out this low and look for further longs towards the upside, because we're still bullish on the 1 hour, and even on the daily we're as well still bullish, because this was the big low from this big swing. As you can see, this was the break of structure right here. So I'm still looking for further upside as well on the daily. Then going on to AD USD, actually this one, it's a little bit of mix, because on the daily, as I spoke to you last week, we took out this low that I wanted to be seen taking out, and from there maybe look for further longs, because we're bullish on the daily. But on a 4 hour, it's for me a little bit tricky right now, because the 4 hour is of course bearish and we took out this liquidity, so we can either go down and we can push higher up. So for me, what I want to see for further longs is that we take out this, and from there on see change of character and place then a long towards the highs, and even maybe as a target to take out all these descending highs. And for a short, for me this is of course a little bit too low to look for a short. Then I want price to see move above this high to look for shorts, because I don't want to get inside this little range to look for further shorts, even though the daily is bullish and we took out this liquidity low. Juice GPY, yeah, I got nothing to say about this actually. I'm not gonna look for trades in this one. USD Swiss, I'm actually looking for longs as well, but only if we take out this low. I'm not gonna short to that low, because obviously that's not how trading works for me. I'm not gonna trade to some point where I wanted to take another trade, because then it doesn't work for me. It's most of the time then I hit stop loss. And on the daily as well, we can still take out this high. It's what I'm looking for, but it needs to retrace a little bit more, and then we can look for longs. And USDCAD was a nice one last week that I spoke about, and what we can see here is that this one was a drawing from last week. This is basically what happened. Let me erase this one. is that it's got a higher low, of a lower low, excuse me, low low, took out the low, and then again took out the low. We tapped in a demand zone and then gave a bullish reaction. So that was a really nice trade to the upside. And we're now waiting for further upsides, but not in this range. Then I'd like to see this low get taken out before looking for further longs. Right now I don't see that happening that much because it's going up right now again. But let's see. If not, then it's not a trade. And from NZDUSD, I'm actually looking for shorts right now because we tapped in this supply. We gave a reaction, so now I'm waiting for a market structure shift to look for sells towards at least this low, and let's see if that plays out because that's the only one I'm really looking forward to right now, besides some other pairs next to the dollar. And the last thing I wanted to discuss with you guys is Bitcoin. I did trade it like last year, but not that much. But for me, what I'm looking for right now is this, because we took out this low, and I'm looking for further upside right now. Looking for scale in short longs on like the 1 hour or even lower. And before I'm even wanting to look for further shorts, it's especially from this area. So let's see what happens. We'll wait, and it's only Monday, so anything can happen this week. Have a safe trade week and see you guys in the next video.